Otu ugromanticali. Terarug, en terarug. Sometim, your partner or love interest just one aug, bu en to give them. Tutaman mort. To ugromanticali, just follow the steps. Te frontalug. Position your arin to draw your torso to jeter. In a romanticug, your torso, your chest en stomach, will touche. Ti. Iao underfully varment intimate position ta en phasis closeness. Generally, te tale ugie putser arin arun te west of te shorte person, will te shorte ugie putser. Arin arun te neck or shoulder of te tale person. T'opposite quand also à peine, especially if te rabi get. Différence, te tale person place ser arin arun te person shoulder, andro temato ser chest. Will te person vrap ser arin arun te west. Makid contact. Lanning yuri don against somoni a signal of intimacy. Move yuri tout aussi de ayulan. Into give a romanticug, intus, most people will automatically move to ser right, don't go to far tout aussi. Tug, you want your chic to brush up against tote person face. To add dans extra romantic touche, nuzzle your id. Or even your face un tote id bar oblique neck of tote person, or chest, if your muche shorte tante person your. Hugging. Skeuzan hold. A romantic uglas te longe tant à platonique ug. Gently clut chalit clotaite fort ou ortré. Second. Tac à dibrea tant exal, relaxinto tugan en joyite. Note taillur skeuschuld bestron en outou. Benotisble, buno so taite taite prevent imorer from breathing normally. Causing your hugging partner to pass. Out from lack of oxygen in considered romantic in most circle. Use yuran. Rubonoff yuran zon serbac or arma fatim. Orif yuran ibit personid, gently. Stroke serer, hortback of cernac. Aslo caressi romantique. Abrisque caressi comical, une laisse ifrusigne. Oudzidan your varmi, up your hugging partner. Lego slowly. Ayu pulawe. Keep your hands on te person so your sti touching e ote afte you. Ti iago team to look into e oterei, smile, en speak from te near. Te front to bakug. Come from ben. On way to ans spontaneity to surprise your love with a hug from ben. Allons à théâtre. Doin à nitignato important, wrapping your arin around de ser west, en resting your id against circamba super. Soit surprise. Stand blint person you are going to hug. Press your torso up against te back person you are hugging, en vrai your. Arin arun tem. It de et un mate so muchifi ou artale or shorté, ote tan o your en will en up. Generally, te tale hug et relax ser up arin, en ria charun to hug with ser lo et arin. Te short et hugé. Quand hold ser arin straight out, raté tan bindignat l'elbow. Place your arin in front. You can stack on arm on top of tote, on arm in front of tote, or even or ya up. Over te chest en hold shoulder of te person you are hugging, it all depends on te size of your arin on te size. Of to get on where your arin are best placed. Make contact. Like te front facing, hug, lanning your id on or against somoni a signal of intimacy. If you are. At alors tale tant to get on, you can nuzzle surface or neck. If you are shorty, you can rest your id. Sidway on serbac. Skeuzan hold. A romantic uglas te longe tant à platonique hug. Gently clut chalit clotaite fort ou ortré. Second. Tac à dibrea tant exal, relaxinto tugan en joyite. Use yuran. Forte person ben huged. Caressing your hugger arin ia natural, lovely touche. You can also ria. Back en caresse surface horaire. Fortugé, tug, caressing cambe comme fairly intimate with to muche fort. If. You rata level with te person you are hugging, ti adolit full to besoin intimacy. If no, proceed with. Caution. It can resulting te is ben broken, or your nose ben broken. Aslo caressi romantique. Rotatio ugedon around. Enjoy affront facing, you enjoy the closeness of your partner. Should you need. Furte direction, star at the top of the page again. Enjoy. Type. Grabber around the west ampuller close so feel securant varm. Aug bring someone up close en personal, so qui body odoraba. At sam team, remember ta perfume, cologne en. Preat miant quand almaca romantique more enjoyable when used lately. Nothing can draw you out of the moment more. Tant en une pleasant odor manating from you or your partner, anti quand include overpowering perfume. Mac sur you smell good, no everybody want to hug someone who2 and smell the best. Also, never rush a hug, take team. En relax. Don't try to make it look like a rushed effort. Just go with your motion. Hugging like dancing or kissing, interactive. You feed off the energy of the person, and you can force a response. If you enjoy wearing cologne puis ton lightly. When she come close she will get a soft sweet smell from you. Noah. Nagging, strong repel from overdoing it. Warning. No everyone enjoy hugging, even in a romantic relationship. Important to communicate openly if you failure. Hugging gesture a been rebuffed to accept it if you discover that your partner a lead and like ben hugged.